So for this series of videos, I'm gonna be working on a website that's quite similar to this one. In fact, it's a recreation of this one. So this is a project that I ended because I don't know, I feel lazy, and I'm trying to recreate it using a different technology stack. This one uses PHP Laravel at the back end, sort of like a monolith. Uses Blade templates and uses a CSS framework called Materialize, which is something I started using about 4 years ago, and then it got abandoned along the way, and I felt crap. But it has a lot of modifications. It has a lot more like helper classes, which is like Tailwind sort of style of doing things. Yeah, but we're gonna be recreating this using Tailwind CSS and Next.js and React for the front end, because that's just the way things are. And then for the back end, we're just gonna maintain the Laravel part, so it should be interacting with the back end, which is pretty cool. Most of the components I think are already laid out. The remaining ones are not so complex. I think there are some of the pages you can't really see them. Let's explore. Find home doesn't exist. Find agent. Error message request page. Okay, some of these pages don't exist in particular. Really? Property details exist, but it doesn't error here. So okay, this is some old code here. We're gonna change it in static page controller property details. Let's see what's happening there. This code shouldn't be available. Property details, pricing. So we just want to return this like that. If we're gonna ask questions like that. Search grid like that. Search list. Okay, so we have much more, and then we also have a template page, which makes sense, right? Oh my god, what was I doing? Don't save that. I was doing some stupid stuff there. What I meant to do was get logged with the about, which just returns that. Get find agent. I think I wasn't doing the right thing here. I think I was just trying out Laravel at this point. That's why I'm trying to recreate it, because a lot of things have changed. My understanding it is lighter. My understanding has changed. That's why we need to recreate it. So all these will just be returning sort of JSON objects. So it'll just be a RESTful API, nothing too complicated, which should be great. Some other pages are static, so we're gonna try to maybe use some form of either JSON or MD to do that. But we're gonna try to avoid as using static text in the code as much as possible. Grid, search grid, alright. Pretty awesome. Yeah, another awesome thing that I found out that you can just return a view, which just compiles HTML, and then you can embed it into another view. So that was pretty cool, but not so sustainable, like compared to React. I just thought, oh my god, this is not working out. I also tried using Initial with React, but this is like an SEO driven website, which doesn't work out well. So property details just pretty, looks pretty great, for a great house, but obviously people are not gonna have these great houses. You got their property images, approved. If an image looks weird, I'm just gonna, reply to the user, or some admin is gonna reply to the user to make it better. Got John Doe here doing his work here. Is either agency name or individual agent. He has reviews, 70 reviews, which go up to like 4.8 out of it. And then you can also send him your contact details, and I'm not sure I'm gonna do this. So the other part of this is we're gonna have a CRM where John Doe can log in and check his history. So we're gonna send this form to, we're gonna save it in a database and to John Doe's email to say, hey, somebody tried to contact you and they're interested in your property. Yeah, so we haven't really figured out how the business side is going to work out, but it's quite similar to that. And then we have the properties, got like number of bedrooms, bathrooms here, parking area, more information. This generic, good looking base floor plan, and quite some other properties and recommendation. So this page is done. Let's try to look for other ones. Property details, recent property. I think I saw much more. Uh, Example. Oof. Okay, I saw template, but it's not in the navigation. Template. Oh, there we go. So this is just a template about, I don't know, used to recreate. So there are a lot more pages about that. So tune in. We're going to be recreating this from scratch using Tailwind, and I'm going to be giving you updates. Let's say every week. Happy New Year, everybody. Bye bye.